Renovating a home could help make it more comfortable for your family and could also increase its market value. But home renovation is often costly and could get delayed due to shortage of funds. Fullerton India offers online personal loans for home or office renovation to eligible applicants up to 25 lakh rupees at attractive interest rates and flexible repayment tenures up to 60 months. You can use the funds to renovate your home, attend to repairs, or purchase new furniture. Follow these steps to apply for a personal loan for home renovation. Identify the exact amount required. Take a quote from the contractor. Add any other incidental expenses that may be incurred to arrive at the final amount. Check your eligibility and the maximum loan amount you may be able to get using our personal loan eligibility calculator. Click on the Apply Now button and validate your mobile number. Enter your details including contact information, PAN, date of birth, income and employment details, banking details and so on. Enter required loan amount and select a repayment tenure. Upload your documents. Submit your application. Depending on your eligibility, your application will be processed further. Our representative will get in touch with you. To apply now, visit our website or click the link in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.